Ferrari Academy driver and Formula 3 European Championship race winner Guan Yu Zhou will compete for the new UNI-Virtuosi Formula 2 team in 2019. The Chinese driver was 8th in his second season in European F3 with Prema Racing, taking 2 victories and 6 podiums with the squad this year. He will now graduate to F2 with UNI-Virtuosi, which has taken Russian Times entry and cars for 2019. Although the majority of the staff will remain the same, as Virtuosi ran the operation for 4 seasons. Zhou drove for the team alongside Luca Giotto in last week's post-season F2 test in Abu Dhabi, and was 4th quickest in the afternoon session on the final day. "I really feel confident about myself and also the team, which is working together with me and behind me," Zhou told Autosport. The 3-day Abu Dhabi F2 test looked very positive, the speed was very strong, the team is pleased about our performance, so we are really looking forward to the season ahead. I am really happy to be in the team. The guys have a lot of belief in me. I trust and believe in them as well. I definitely want to score podiums, hopefully starting from the beginning of the season. Of course, to score some victories will be nice in the rookie year. We all know it will be a tough year with everything new tracks, the new, for 2018, F2 car. It won't be easy, but we will try our best and try to achieve the targets as soon as possible. Zhou is the 6th driver to be confirmed in F2 for next season, although a number of seats are believed to have been filled already. The same number of 10 teams, each with 2 cars, will compete in 2019.2019 F2 lineup so far: Carlin, Nobuharu Matsushita, Nikita Mazepin, NYCK De Vries Prema, Mick Schumacher, Sean Gelael UNI-Virtuosi, Guan Yu Zhou. Share this article on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, email.